Alright, I know. What the hell am I doing, right? Honestly, I think I've gone mad. So, I was just sitting in my tree stand, just observing, wasn't doing anything. Again, had the shotgun out, with just bird shot in the event I came across a squirrel or something. So I was just sitting there, and a bunch of these, I could hear them, and they were at the gut pile from that squirrel that I shot in the last video. Bunch of them. So I tried to creep up on them. Arguably, probably one of the smartest birds, if not the smartest, as the crow. So as I crept up, one pegged me. They all started flying. I shot this guy out of the air. Pretty cool. I've been debating for like 2 or 3 years now to try this, and I've been wanting to so bad, but there's just something sketchy about it. I mean, they eat roadkill and dead shit. But whatever. So we've got all woods here. There's no trash or anything. However, there is a dump or the local landfill. I don't know, 6 or 7 miles as the crow flies. See what I did there? So anyway, I'm gonna give it a try. All I'm gonna do is breast it out. So what's the consensus? Consensus is that's a perfectly cooked steak if it was a steak, but I don't know if I should eat it red a little bit like that or not. Lord hates a coward. Phenomenal. Wow. Trying to think if it tastes like anything. I'm not sure. I want to say partridge almost, just a little bit, but not really. Definitely doesn't taste like chicken. But it's good. And yep, I've gone full crazy. Well, hope you enjoyed that one, guys. Take care. See you on the next one.